One of the most common reasons for cat snoring is simply due to their facial structure. Just like in humans, obesity can lead to cat snoring. Allergies and respiratory infections are two of the most common causes of cat snoring. When cats snore, it's often the result of a condition called nasopharyngeal polyps. As cats get older, they may snore due to changes in their skulls and soft palates. If your cat is snoring, it's important to take them to the vet to rule out any serious health conditions. In most cases, however, cat snoring is simply a harmless annoyance. Find more information on our blog Reasons for Cat Snoring and what you can do about it at ultablog.com.